This is Brian with Litsignal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a crowded reference slide that few will see again into a reading list that will be available from any device. First, I paste my references into a text editor and start importing articles. I search in PubMed, find the result I want, open it, and click on the Litsignal bookmark. This takes me to the articles page on Litsignal. Since I want to add this article to a new reading list, I click on Add to List, dismiss the notification, and enter the name of the list on the form. The list has been created. I'm skipping ahead to keep the video brief, but I'm going to continue importing references. I find another article in PubMed and click on the Litsignal bookmark. This time, when I click on Add to List, I have a quick add option, allowing me to add this article to my most recently modified list in one click. I search for the next reference on Google, sometimes the best alternative to PubMed. Here it is at the top of the results. I continue to its PubMed entry and import it using the bookmark. I once more use the Quick Add button and see it added to the list. Now let's jump to the end. With all of my references in the list, I want to do some fine-tuning. I'd like to list my references in order of importance with meta-analyses at the top, followed by randomized controlled trials, background articles, and clinical practices. I use the controls on the right to move articles up and down in the list. When I finish reorganizing my list, I click on the Settings cog to give it a description and some tags. When I'm done, I submit my changes. Here my list is complete. I copy the URL, go back to my references slide, and replace this crowded text with a simple link to the list I just created. Let's do a quick recap. I imported my first article and created a new list. I continued importing articles and used the Quick Add button to assemble my list. I used the list controls to reorganize my list. I modified the list description and tags. Then I copied the URL into my final slide for a durable list of references that anyone can now discover. Thank you for your interest in Litsignal. Be well read.